Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here are the 5 easy Arduino projects that anyone can do, so let's dive right in. Our first project is a simple traffic light using an LED traffic light signal module and an Arduino Uno R3. This project is perfect for beginners as it uses only 2 components. To do the project, just plug in the module and upload the code, and you are ready to go. It's a straightforward project that helps you get familiar with basic Arduino programming and LED control. All the assets required to replicate this project will be provided in the description. Our next project is a DIY LuxMeter that displays the current light levels in your room. This project uses an Arduino Nano, an LDR module, and an OLED display. The light levels will be shown as the rectangular shape. When the light level decreases, the length of the rectangle in the OLED decreases, and vice versa. We've already gone through the detailed build process in a previous video, so be sure to check that out. Project 3 is a counter using the 7-segment LED display with an Arduino Uno. This setup allows you to accurately count objects passing through a designated area by means of the IR sensor. Here we are using the 4-digit 7-segment LED, which is based on TM1637IC. The module is ideal for displaying sensor data or temperature. It is excellent for learning about digital displays and counting mechanisms. Here is the demo video of how it works. Next up, we have an essential safety project, a flame alarm using an Arduino Nano and a flame sensor. This setup will sound an alarm and activate a red LED whenever a flame is detected. Like this. This project is vital for learning about flame detection and alarm systems. Finally, we have a digital thermometer using an Arduino Nano, an OLED display, and the LM35 temperature sensor. This setup will display the current temperature on an OLED screen with this cute thermometer icon. This project is perfect for monitoring environmental and body temperature accurately. It's a great project for learning about temperature sensing and data display. That wraps up our 5 easy Arduino projects for beginners. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects. Thanks for tuning in and happy tinkering!